Hey guys, today I am kind of sitting at an angle, and it's because I wanted to show you guys what I got and how I decorated my desk for Vlogmas or Christmas, or you know. But yeah, this is pretty much my decorations under a budget video, and well, this is pretty much how I decorated my desk. This Christmas tree right here was from Walmart, and this box was from Dollar Tree. This Christmas tree was $10. Yeah, it was $10. And then these little ornaments, it came in like a case, and it was like $3 and some change, along with the star on top as well. That was $3 too. And this right here is my ShallayBeNatural sign thingy that I painted like a few weeks ago, and I pretty much did it myself. And of course it has SBN on it, and I kind of made it look like wintry and whatnot, and so I just put it there. And then I got these here for $1 each from Dollar Tree. I got this reindeer for $1. The snow globe back here, I got that for $20 actually. The lights came on the tree. This right here was for $1 at Dollar Tree as well, so I just put it on my desk, taped it down and whatnot, as well as this silver stuff in the back that I put there. So this is honestly pretty much, it was pretty much $50, and that was it, just $50. I still have to buy more lights for me and my roommate's room, so we could put up, because some of our lights like blew out, but it's really cheap, honestly. And I mean, it's not a lot of stuff on here anyways, but it was enough for me to get my whole Christmas background set up. And you don't really have to get much, because Dollar Tree actually has a lot of stuff for Christmas, like a lot of stuff, even like gift wrapping and all that stuff. Like, I could have taken gift wrapping paper to put on my desk, but I'm just like, that's too much, and I still need to use my desk at the end of the day. So I was just like, I'm not doing all that. But at the end of the day, my background looks so cute, and I've honestly been working on it for like 2 days. Like, I kept buying stuff and buying stuff and buying stuff, and I was just like, I just have to do the whole Vlogmas thing. So this is it, guys. Nothing much, but I also like decided to put my pictures of me and my friends up and stuff like that. They weren't here originally, but because I was just feeling in the spirit of decorating my desk the way I wanted to for Christmas, that's what I did. And I'm actually going to get a wax warmer, and it's like, I saw it at Walmart and it was like $15, and it was in the shape of an acorn that said thankful on it, and some apple cinnamon wax boxes or whatever, the little wax melt thingies. But but yeah, that's all I'm gonna put on my desk. I just wanted in here to, you know, have more of that wow factor, or my side to have a wow factor anyways. I don't know what my roommate is doing with her side, or if she's even doing anything with her side, but that's pretty much all that I'm doing. So I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.